Hello, my name is Rami. Roughly a year ago, I was kind of going through a bad part of my life. I was struggling with my vision. I had glasses, I had lenses, like thick lenses, the size of like a playing deck. And one of my buddies recently got LASIK, and I was talking to him about it and kind of seeing how his experience was. And this guy, he had worse vision than me, and maybe a month or so after LASIK, his vision like skyrocketed, and he was seeing everything perfectly. He's seeing freeway signs from halfway across the freeway and seeing the like smallest text miles away. And I'm like, I think it's time. I went to Dr. Motwani's office just to kind of see if it was even viable, because I had heard that you shouldn't get LASIK until you're 24 or 25 years old. That was just kind of the common belief that I had. And when I came here, all the staff were great. They were all super helpful. They answered all the millions of questions that I had and the millions of questions that my mom had. And actually speaking with Dr. Motwani really opened my eyes, because I mean, he was super helpful. He helped answer all my questions. He helped kind of show me why my vision is what it is, and he even helped correct my prescription. And the prescription I had at the time was, I believe like -5 on this eye and like -3 on this eye. And he told me that even that prescription was incorrect, and he helped me correct my prescription even before LASIK. So even if I ended up not getting LASIK, he sent me home with a new prescription that would just help me see better with glasses in general. I ended up going through with the LASIK, and honestly, it's been the best decision I've made in the past couple of years. The recovery was a bit slow, if I'm being honest. It was just me mainly in bed with like the super big goggles that they give us to protect our eyes. And like I would wake up, take those off, and I'd have like an imprint of the oh my gosh, I hated it. But after that like first week, it was great. I was actually able to do everything I couldn't do before. I was able to go swimming. I could actually open my eyes under the water and see. I was able to go on roller coasters and see what's going on and not just be like a blurry mess. I was actually able to like see past like 20 feet in front of me, because my glasses would never have done that. And the weirdest thing for me was when I would wake up in the middle of the night and like reach for my glasses and then realize, wait, I don't have glasses anymore. And I think that was the best part, if I'm being honest, not having to always check for my glasses, not having to always like push them up or like worry about cleaning them and stuff. And I mean, that was probably the best decision I made, getting LASIK. My life just changed for the better. I took all my eye drops that they prescribed. I bought a little bottle of the refill tears. I just kept putting those in every once in a while. After like the first month, when like my eye drops, my prescribed eye drops ran out, I had no more need for any other medication. I was just living my life, just going out and like exploring and actually being able to see stuff. And there's this one vivid memory I had the first time I like left my house after LASIK, besides like coming here for like checkups and stuff. I went hiking by Torrey Pines, and right as like there's this one peak, I forgot the name, but you can see like UCSD this way, and you can see the ocean, and it was just beautiful. And I just remember seeing everything like so sharp and so clear, and I was just stunned. I was with one of my friends, and I was just standing there like staring off into space, and he had to like snap me back into reality a couple times. And that was just when I realized, like, yeah, this was 100% worth it. I mean, anyone who wants LASIK, I'd recommend to come check it out. I mean, it doesn't hurt. it was a free like exam. They just checked me up. Even if I had not gone through with LASIK, Dr. Motwani sent me home with a new prescription for my glasses. Like, I haven't seen many offices that would be willing to do that, as well as not charging you for that. And overall, I mean, there's not much else to say. This is like, if you're having doubts, just come get a checkup and you will not be disappointed. I know I wasn't.